Oh my gosh. I can't see it. Oh. What'd I do? Okay. Ah, there's a takeoff button. Okay. Okay. Oh my gosh. This was a mistake. Here we go. Oh my goodness gracious. I'm a pro. So apparently, I can throw this up and it'll take off by itself. So we're gonna try that. Oh my! Ah! This is smarter than me. I'm ready. It scares me every time it takes off. Guys, we're gonna try and get one successful flight.
Passengers, this is your pilot speaking. Would you please fasten your seatbelts if you would like? If not, that's okay too. Hold on tight. Never mind, we'll try that again. Oh my goodness. Thank you for flying with us.
So I guess it goes faster. It goes way faster. Oh no. Guys, I think we need a little bit more space.